Hello friends, I am Professor Sunil Bairagi from KKWA College of Agriculture, Nashik. Our today's topic, that is preparation of saturation paste extract. So the principle which are involved in this particular practical, composition of solutes in soil solution at field water content is desirable. As we know, in at field water content, the composition of solids in solution is desirable for the plants. Then ideally this measurement should be done at field capacity, but it is difficult to obtain extract at field capacity. Hence the extract is obtained at next higher water content, that is at saturation of the soil. So basically at the time of field capacity all the micro and macro pores are filled, but that is not a saturated condition from which we can obtain this extract. So mainly this extracts we are obtained at saturated point or the saturation of the soil. Then the saturation extract is related in a predictable manner to field water, soil water content. So this saturation extract which we are determined or prepare, it helps for the prediction of the soil water contents or the different contents of the soil. The crop tolerance to salinity is often related to EC of the saturation extract. Then mainly this Buckner funnel and the pH meter which are used, we are used for the in this preparation of saturation extract. Mainly this pH meter is used for the determination of pH of the saturation paste extract, and this Buckner funnel is used for the extraction purpose. Then procedure, that is wet 250 gram of air dry soil and place in plastic container. Then take distilled water in 250 ml measuring cylinder and add to the soil with stirring with a steel spatula until it is nearly saturated. Then record the volume of distilled water used. So basically we have to wet this 250 gram of soil, and in plastic container we are take this soil in plastic container and then add mainly 250 ml of distilled water, and soil will stirring with steel spatula. So this soil may be stir from time to time, so it is not dried up. At saturation the paste glistens as it reflects light, flows slightly when the container is steep, and the paste slides freely and cleanly up the spatula for all soils except those with high clay content. So if at the particular point or at the saturation point the paste glistens, okay, so as paste glistens it reflects light and it flows slightly when we are the container is steep, and the place slides freely and cleanly up of the spatula. So in case of high clay contents, okay, these high clay content soils are mainly sticky in nature, so that's why it not slides freely, or except this high clay content all the soils which are slides freely and cleanly of the spatula. Allow the paste Allow the paste to stand for an hour and recheck the criteria for saturation. Free water should not stagnate on soil surface nor the paste stiffen markedly. If the paste does stiffen or lose its glisters, remake with more water. Then record the pH of the saturation paste using glass electrode assembly. As we seen in above slides, the pH meter we are using for the recording the pH. So transfer the paste to the Buckner funnel fitted with Whatman number filter paper. Apply vacuum and collect the filtrate in the test tube suspended to the spout of the funnel in the vacuum flask. And then preserve this extract for the determination of electrical conductivity and soluble cations estimation by adding a drop of toluene or zero point 0.1 calgon, that is sodium hexametaphosphate. Then record the EC with the help of conductivity meter. Then we are taking only two observation in this particular practical, that is weight of soil taken, that is actually we are taken 250 gram, and then volume of water we are added in that particular soil. So this is all about preparation of saturation paste extract. Thank you.